What's brewing in the world of Microsoft? Get ready for a rapid-fire download of the biggest tech news. First up, we've got Visual Studio 2026 dropping with a serious AI upgrade and a fresh design. Next, Senator Ron Wyden is calling out Microsoft for cybersecurity negligence. Then, the Career Center is bringing AI to students with Microsoft Copilot. And finally, Microsoft is cracking down on remote work with a return-to-office mandate. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Visual Studio 2026, the AI-powered evolution is here. Get ready, developers, because Microsoft has just unleashed the first preview of Visual Studio 2026, marking the most significant update since 2021. This isn't just a facelift. It's a deep dive into enhanced AI integration and a sleek, modern design refresh. While new themes like Mango Paradise and Juicy Plum are a nice touch, the real buzz is around features like the Profiler Copilot agent that benchmarks and optimizes your code automatically, and Adaptive Paste, which intelligently adjusts pasted code to fit your existing context. Plus, developers can now choose their own preferred large language model and API key from providers like Anthropic, Google, and OpenAI. Even code coverage, once a premium feature, is now available for V's community and professional editions. Community feedback highlights a desire for more focus on performance and resource efficiency. And the age-old question of a Linux version persists, but with 4489 issues fixed and 290 feature requests addressed, Visual Studio 2026 is shaping up to be a powerful leap forward. This update promises to reshape how developers interact with their tools, making AI a true partner in the coding process. But the evolution of Microsoft's tools isn't the only story making waves. Get ready for a stark warning about the digital battleground next. Cybersecurity alert, Microsoft under fire. Senator Ron Wyden is sounding the alarm, urging the FTC to investigate Microsoft for what he calls gross cybersecurity negligence. This comes in the wake of devastating attacks, like the Ascension Hospital ransomware incident that compromised millions of patient records. Wyden points to Microsoft's default configurations, specifically the continued support for outdated encryption technology like RC4, as a major vulnerability. This decades-old weakness, exploited through techniques like Kerberoasting, has been a known risk for years, yet it continues to leave critical infrastructure and sensitive data exposed. Despite Microsoft's claims that RC4 represents less than 0.1% of their traffic, and that disabling it would break customer systems, Wyden argues that the burden of security should lie with Microsoft, not its users. Microsoft has pledged to disable RC4 by default in Active Directory by Q1 2026. But the senator insists a more comprehensive and immediate solution is needed. This investigation highlights the critical balance between innovation and robust security in our increasingly connected world. From high-stakes security breaches to empowering the next generation of professionals, our next story is all about the future of learning. AI gets personal, the Career Center's Copilot revolution. The Career Center is ushering in a new era of student success with the integration of Microsoft Copilot. This isn't just about using AI, it's about creating tailored AI agents to help students navigate their career paths. Spearheaded by Career Center Director Amy Rylander and Assistant Vice Provost Michael Estep, the initiative began with developing user guides on ethical AI use, which were then fed into Copilot to create specialized agents for resume building, interview preparation, and career discovery. Students can access these agents through their Baylor email, receiving personalized guidance by interacting with prompts that analyze their skills and suggest potential career matches. Estep emphasizes this is a proactive move to enhance efficiency, allowing staff to focus on more specialized, in-depth student support, while stressing that AI is a tool to augment, not replace, individual effort and voice. The Career Center is also exploring future copilots for graduate school planning and career communications, alongside LinkedIn certifications to equip students with essential AI skills for the modern job market. This innovative approach demonstrates how AI can be a powerful ally in shaping brighter professional futures. But as we look towards the future of work, a significant shift is happening right now in how and where work gets done. Microsoft's return to office mandate, the end of an era. Microsoft is signaling a major shift in its workplace policy, mandating employees to return to the office at least 3 days a week, starting in February 2026. This move appears to signal the end of Microsoft's prominent remote-friendly stance, reflecting a broader trend across the tech industry as pandemic-era flexibility wanes. The initial rollout targets employees within 50 miles of headquarters in Redmond, Washington, with requests for exemptions due by September 19th. Executive Vice President Amy Coleman states the policy change is not about reducing headcount, but about fostering collaboration, citing that in-person work leads to employees who thrive and deliver stronger results. This contrasts with arguments that workplace accommodations reducing employee stress are key to empowerment. Notably, a previous Microsoft blog post touting remote work benefits seems to have been removed. Data shows a steep decline in fully remote job openings at Microsoft, from 883 in August 2024 to just 89 currently, a trend expected to continue as they align with other tech giants pushing for in-office presence. This policy change marks a significant pivot, potentially redefining the work-life balance for thousands of Microsoft employees. And that's a wrap on our top stories. But before you go, let's hit those headlines one last time. And that's a wrap on our top stories. We saw Visual Studio 2026 preview with major AI and design upgrades, Senator Wyden demanding an FTC investigation into Microsoft's cybersecurity, the Career Center leveraging Microsoft Copilot for student success, and Microsoft implementing a new return-to-office policy. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for more cutting-edge tech news, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, leave a comment with your thoughts on these stories, and follow us on all social media platforms.